Welcome back, guys. It's me again. We're going to be talking about the Federal 22 caliber long rifle, 40 grain, solid nose. Sorry about the camera. It's supposed to be 1,240 feet per second out the muzzle of the gun. I bought these a while back. They were like $3 a box, maybe a little more. I'm not sure. This is what you get. Nicely individualized package. They are lead round, 40 grains, rimfire, round nose, 50 in a box. This is considered by many bulk ammo, but it runs through my Ruger 1022, my Marlin Model 60. I mean, it runs through all of my semi-automatic 22 rifles just as good as CCIs do. Got your warning labels here. This is, like I said, guys, just a 50 round box of Federal 40 grain, 1,240 feet per second. Some more warning labels. It contains lead, known to the state of California. It functions through all of my guns. It's reliable. And it's not that bad of a price. What I'm saying is, if you're gonna buy 22 ammo, buy the cheap stuff. If you got a clean gun, you keep it clean. Any ammunition you put in it will function. Now, if you're hunting or something like that and you want hollow points or whatever your preference is to shoot, I'm not saying change your mind and switch right over here to the Federal, but it is a good bullet. It like I said, fires every time I pull the trigger. I haven't had any misfires off of this ammunition. Good old box of Federal. Now, you can get these pretty much anywhere. I think Walmart's gone on a rampage and you can't buy diddly squat there anymore, but I bought these at a local gun shop. If you hit anything hard with this, it'll be just like a hollow point. It will mushroom out. Lead is soft. Bone, trees, whatever you shoot with this that isn't soft will make it flatten out like a pancake. If you shoot it through gel, I'm pretty sure it has pretty good expansion there too, but just standard Federal bulk ammunition, rimfire 22 caliber. If you haven't tried them, go get you a box. You might switch what you're using. Your gun might like these better, might shoot a closer group with these here. But I've just had good luck with these. I've had good luck with Remington Thunderbolt green box ammunition, bulk ammo. I've had great luck with those too. Not a lot of misfires. So go get you some Federal and go out in the backyard, set up a target, and see where your gun shoots. Everybody needs to try these. If you have already and you dislike them, I can't help that. Everybody has their own preferences, but if you haven't tried these, go get a target, go get your gun, and go enjoy outside for a while. Just standard regular old bulk ammo, Federal. Yep. Doesn't cost $1 million, and they're gonna be gone anyway. I don't know anybody really that reloads 22 ammunition, but it's probably a lot easier to just go buy it. Until next time, guys, please hit the like button, subscribe, ring the bell, all that good stuff. I'm kind of new to YouTube, but I'm getting the hang of it, and I wanted to tell you guys about this wonderful standard ammunition. Save a few bucks in your pocket and just go with the standard stuff. Get you a nice cleaning kit, clean your guns, you know, and it should function fine. But Federal does make some pretty good ammunition. Alright, guys.